Here's a new 2020 BMW 3 Series. Nothing short of remarkable. Every element evokes a distinct sense of luxury, intelligent engineering, and performance. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear wheel drive, external memory control, driver memory seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.